What's up, yummies? All right, so today I'm making chicken, and normally I don't do a fancy chicken. I'll either fry it, I'll bread some chicken tenders, I'll pan sear it, but I eat so much poultry and fish the regular way, I get bored. So if you're like me and you need something to spice it up a little bit in terms of your chicken recipes, stick with me, stick around, check this out. I'm gonna make stuffed chicken breasts today. And they're going to be wrapped in bacon. Oh, yeah. So come on, let's go. Let's make this chicken. Let me tell y'all, I'm definitely not bored with chicken anymore. If you're bored with chicken recipes, this will solve that. Y'all, that chicken breast, so good. I need y'all to try this recipe. I've seen other people make it, and I'm like, I don't know about the cream cheese. I don't know if I like that with chicken, mixed with chicken and spinach. But if you like a spinach dip, if you like spinach dip, and I like spinach dip, this is kind of giving you that spinach dip mixed with chicken breast, which is really nice. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you don't like the video. Add them into your recipes, for your family, for your boo, for yourself. Come on, y'all, and stay blessed and fill your days with yummy dishes.